Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how you can change your email address in the Fiverr. Uh, it's very simple and it's very easy. So first of all you have to click on your profile. If you are in the buyer section, you also can change your email from buyer. If you are into selling, you can also change your email address from selling as well. Click on the settings. It will redirect it on your account interface. As you can see, I have an email called something. Now I want to just change, so I will type whatever I want. I want email there 123 uh, 123 at the rate gmail.com. Now uh, save changes. Now, for this email change take effect, please instruction in the email sent to original address. So it will send the confirmation email to the my this original email address. After that, after verifying that, you can change the email address. If this found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.